So this is the React series in which we are going to know about different types of hooks in React concepts and core concepts. Also, we are going to create some of the projects using React. So this is the playlist and we have just uploaded 2 videos. So in this video, we are going to know about props in React. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe guys. So whenever I'm going to upload any content onto React, it will be notified to your device. And also press the bell icon and let's get started for today's video. So if you see inside this playlist, you can just see there is one thumbnail, there is one title, there is like channel name, there is views, okay, when it is posted. So this is same to this video also. So you can just see over here also, it also has thumbnail, it has its own title, then channel name, what are the views and when it was posted. Now if I come back and if I go to any playlist from here, like let's take this one, everyone has their own title, everyone has their number, serial number. It is available for every video. Not just this playlist, any content on YouTube has the same thing. Here layout is same but the data is changed. This is how props work. A parent component sends data to its child components like title, then channel name and its views and like when it was posted. Note that props are immutable. That means when we pass information from parent to child, it can't be changed from child component. This is the parent component and here I'm going to create a div. Inside div we are going to have like S3 tag. So here I want just like a title. Then I want paragraph, like I want views. Then I want one more paragraph. Okay, I just want here a channel name. Channel name. I can just take it up. And as I come on the page, you can just see I'm getting title, I'm getting the channel name and views. So I'm getting this information, but this is the static information. So we want the dynamic information. So for this, we are going to use a concept called props. I'm going to create here a component folder. So I'm going to say components slash, and it will be with video card .jsx. This is the file which I'm going to create. As I click enter, I get a components folder and inside this I get a video card.jsx file. So here I'm going to say like export default function. We are going to export the default function and the function name here is going to be video card. Whatever the component name is, we are going to put it and we are going to return here some value. This is the child component which we have created right now guys, and this will be called from here. We are going to import it over here. I'm going to say import and I'm going to say video card. I'm going to remove this div and I'm going to say video card. I'm going to call that component here. So I'm going to say video card. I'm going to pass some information right from this parent component. So like I want a title. So like an attribute you can just say. So I'm going to say title title. So it is React props explain. So what I did, this was the child component and this child component I just called it inside the parent component. And here I have just imported it at this top and here you can just see the title we are just passing from here. Now when I come inside the child component, I'm going to just give it a name like props. You can give any name, but props are like meaningful. Here I'm going to create a div first of all. So let's create a div inside which I'm going to give a style. So here I'm going to write style in JavaScript. So I'm going to create one more curly bracket. That means it is an object. I'm going to make a border. So I'm going to say border 1 pixel solid hashtag triple C. Padding of 10 pixels. So I'm going to say padding of like let's close this. Padding of 10 pixel. So inside double quotes, I'm going to say padding 10 pixel. Width of 250 pixels. So I'm going to say width 250 pixel. I want title inside S3 tag. So I'm going to say here at this point, I'm going to say S3. I can just access using props.title. So you can just see title already we have created here. This was the parent component and this was the child component. Inside this is a prop. So if I just want it using JavaScript, I need to create a curly brackets. And here I'm going to say props dot title title title. So I just get one component which is React props explained. Okay, so similarly I'm going to pass the channel names. I can give an attribute name like channel and here I'm going to pass like rising orders era. Okay, so I can take it on new line. So let's take it over here orders era. Okay, and if I move again, so nothing will be visible. We need to create it over here. So I'm going to put it inside the paragraph tag and I'm going to say props dot channel. Now, as I come to the page, you can just see the channel name is visible right now. Similarly, if we want to add views, so I can come here, and here I can just add views is equal to like, let's take 10K. Okay. And inside the video card, I can just come and I can just say paragraph. Inside curly brackets, as usual, what we do, we just say props. And whatever the attribute we have created, we need to add it over here. So that was views. So I'm going to say views. As I come on the browser, you can just say 10K views, channel name, and whatever its video was, we are able to see. So similarly, we can use this component again repeatedly. Okay. Without rewriting the code, we can use it. So I can just come inside app.js, and whatever this component is, I can just make a copy of this, and here I just need to change the title, I just need to change the channel name views, so it will be displayed. Let's go with JavaScript interview questions. So this is the next video which like we have created, for example. So if I come here, it will dynamically get updated. I'm going to add views like 5K. Okay, this time it's 5K. If I come on the page, you can just see this is the video, its channel name and whatever its views. So similarly, we can use the component multiple times. Similarly, we can add videos, we can add thumbnail, we can make it more proper. But this was the example of props, that we can access information from parent to child component using props. And also we have a context API hook in React which passes information from parent to child, and we are going to know about these types of hooks. So how was this video? Let me know inside the comment section. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and share this video, and please do like this video if you understand the concepts. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you soon in next video.